Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to test the RS232 port to make sure it's functioning properly. What I use to test that is with this CalMotion device here. We have the USB here that's got the software on it. And so we have Cat 6 cable going into the board here, going into the ribbon cable, and going into the video board over here on J13, which is the port. So we're going to rotate this thing around, and we're going to go here and select all. So all is selected. We're going to hit receive RS232, and we're going to hit start, and it loaded right there. We're going to go to our software and see where it's at. It's this one right here, warm up. That's the one.